Hey y'all, this is Dave with Da Bomb Smokes. Today we're going to find out the winner of my 500 subscriber giveaway. So let's get on with it. Alright y'all, I am using the YouTube random comment picker, and if you'll notice, just follow my cursor. Up here is the link to my video right here. And right here I'm going to filter duplicate users, and here I'm going to filter comments based on a specific text, and the text that I asked that you put in your comment was hashtag herbs and spices. So I'm going to click Get YouTube Comments, and here it is. It tells me the amount of YouTube comments. Now we're going to let me scroll up here a little bit. Now right here I click Start Raffle and pick Random Winner. So this is going to tell who our winner is, y'all. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, start.
And the winner is the Dude's Kitchen and Grill!
All right, Mr. Dude, or Mike. Congratulations, man. What you need to do in order to claim the prize is to send me your email address and your mailing address to dabombsmokes@gmail.com. That's dabombsmokes@gmail.com. I will order that book and have it sent directly to you. I appreciate everybody entering. Thank you so much, because if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have any subscribers. Thank you for watching my video, and please stay safe and healthy during this time of the pandemic. I know this is a really unprecedented time, and we all, it's just affecting us all over the world. So my thoughts go out to all of you and your families. And until next time, I guess when I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway if I ever get there. It took me a little over a year to get to 500, but that's okay. I'm trying not to put so much emphasis on how many subscribers I have, although it's hard not to. But I just really enjoy what I do, and I'm just going to try to do my thing and just have a good attitude about it. Stay safe, y'all. Peace out.